Hello everyone, welcome to Sense in Essence. What do we need to make a change in our lives? I met one old friend. I have not met him maybe in 3 years. And last time when I met him, he was really big guy, very sweet guy, but the body was very, very big. And now when I met him again, and I opened the door, and he was standing there, and I was not able to recognize him, because the body was so thin. And I asked him that what has happened. And he said that I just made a decision that I want to lose weight, that it is good for my health. And once I made a decision, it was very easy. And it only took 6 months to lose 30 kgs. And somehow that story really hit me, and it reminded me that every one of us, we have this amazing power of making decisions. And rather than just planning, I will do it tomorrow, yes, it is important, maybe I will do it next week or next month, and always postponing it. But when you really make a clear decision that now or never, I do it right away and start right away, and not giving a second thought, because when I know that something is good for me, then it's good that I remind myself that, I need to have that self-respect for me, that I do whatever is good for me. And after decision, yes, we have made many decisions, and then we have went back to the old. So we need also determination. We make the decision, very strong, powerful, clear decision. This is gonna go now. I'm going to eat healthy from now on. I make it very clear for myself, why am I doing it? I do it because I feel much more lighter, much more happier. It is very good for the body. There is much more energy. Whatever are those benefits. But then also the determination, that I know that yes, aim is there, but I see myself in that aim already now. I see myself, the body is thin already, and I already feel those experiences what I have when the body is lighter. And this same applies with just anything. If I want to get rid of my habit of getting stressed or getting angry, irritated, anxiety, whatever it is. And the foundation of this transformation is, of course, soul consciousness. That it is my daily practice, that I am a point of light, this invisible, sparkling soul, who is embodiment of peace, love, and happiness. And when this is my spiritual awareness, when I make that decision, there is spiritual power in that decision. And this is the foundation for determination also. That is one of the powers of the soul. Everyone is a soul, and everyone has this amazing power of determination. We just need to use it. If we don't use it, we lose it. So let's use what we already have. Thank you.